Evening, everybody. 46 Blitz 8 here for 643boxbreaks.com. Timestamp is 1:18 a.m. on Tuesday, December the 13th now. And this is my triple stack of Ultimate products for 13-14. We got Ultimate, we got SP Game used. Triple stack of 13-14 Upper Deck product featuring Ultimate, SP Game used, and artifacts. So here's the roster. This is YouTube reference number 523. All four kinds. You have the Penguins, Bummer Boy, you have the Abs in your Oil, Kings Fan Bob, you have the Wings, Panthers, Flyers, and Canucks, Devilish Demon, you have the Ducks, Flames, Hurricane, Jackets, Stars, Coyotes, and Jets, DJ Nell's Mommy, you have the Kings, Predators, Devils, Rangers, Senators, and the Caps, Earl Sid, you have the Sabres, Canadiens, Islanders, Jimmy, you have the Leafs, Johnny Canucks, you have the Wild, Linda, you have your Sharks, and 26, you have the Blues. Sean, you have your Bruins. Socrates, you have the your Blackhawks, and the Real Kennedy, you have the Tampa Bay Lightning. So here we go. That is the roster. So also featuring my Blitzbucks rewards. Everybody gets 5% back in cash back reward points. Click on the link in the listing that you bought and find out anything about that. For the new people that are in this, let me know if you have any questions. It's pretty straightforward. It's basically 5% cash back for you to spend on future break stuff or some other things as well. So, all right, so let's do artifacts first, just cause. 546 for the camcorder, 546 for the XSplit video. Done. Oh, didn't catch it. There we go. And artifacts, of course, we all know that. 10 packs. I have the Rookie Redemption information page up and ready on my computer. I keep printing it off, and I keep managing to lose it. I don't know what's going on with my list. I've done it about 3 times now, and I keep losing the pieces of paper. However, okay, starting off, we got a base. We got a rookie Emerald, Victor Fast for the Ducks out of 99. Nice. And we have base card. For Team Canada, we have Jared Cowan. Columbus for him, yes. Yeah, the boxers next. And I won't have to look up. I don't remember who that guy plays for. Jared Cowan. Ottawa. You gotta have that information. Jared Cowan. Ottawa? Okay, we'll call it as Ottawa unofficially. And we have our patch right there, so we'll save that for last. For the drama. Base, we have an autograph for the Ottawa Senators, Stefan DaCosta. Ottawa is DJ Nell's Mommy, and Anaheim is Devilish Demon. Not Jared from Subway, no. We got a Yandel, we got a Brown, we have a rookie for the Nashville Predators, Austin Watson, 999. Gardner. And Nashville. Where's Nashville? No, DJ Osmani. There's Fleury. Here we go with the Team Canada. This is the Ruby version out of 299. This is Corey Perry, and I'm going to probably say that he's with Anaheim in this one. But if he doesn't appear in the Team Canada, if he doesn't appear with a team in the set, then he'll go to Ottawa, I suppose. That's where he plays now. I'm flying blind here, but I can't find my list. Alright, we got a Getzlaf base, and we have a Tundra Trios for the Kings, I think. Yeah, all three Kings. Three Kings. Carter, Penner, and Richards. Tundra Trio for the LA Kings. Los Angeles is DJ Alzmani. Oh, sorry, it's the other Bobby Ryan. Sorry. He's the one that moved on. My apologies. So that card will go to the Corey Perry Team Canada Ruby will go to the Anaheim. Sorry. Stafford. And we got a red rookie here, Charlie Coyle for the Wild at 299. Wild is Johnny Canucks. Kirk Lindros. And we have a wild card. And the redemption is card number 232. And according to the list, 232 is Boone Jenner for the Jackets. There we go. Once again, red 232. And Columbus. Columbus is Devil's Demon. And the final pack before we get to the patch card. Another mem card in here. We got Phaneuf. Ooh, nice for the Edmonton Oilers. We have a Nail Yakupov. They're calling it a jersey, but those look kind of prime. Well, two color anyway. 125 Nail Yakupov for the Oilers, and that is Bummer Boy. So congratulations to Jack. Nice hit. Game center. Got a spacer. Base card. Alright, let's get to this patch card. See what I got. There we go. It's free from the back. The Trader. And Volcanics. And we got a game center. Staging. Greening. And we got a black. It's a black. It looks like a Team Canada. It is a Team Canada black. Numbered 2 of 5. Jersey tag of Duncan Keith. Number 2 of 5. That is going to Chicago Blackhawks. Congratulations to Soccer Taz. Well done. Very nice. There you go, Soccer Taz. I think it's the second black I've pulled in the last 2 boxes of artifacts. So well, luck might be running out on that one. So enjoy while it lasts. All right, next box. Game used. 885 for the camcorder. 885 for the XSplit video. 3 packs, 4 5 packs, and the spacer. Alright, good luck everybody. Base Kunitz, base Messier, and we have dual rookie fabrics, Justin Schultz and Nail Yakupov for the Oilers, and that is Jack. There you go, Jack. Nice hit. Nice start for you. Spacer, we got a couple of base. We got Eberle base, Kessel, Phil Thrill. We have another rookie fabrics here for the Flames, Sean Monahan. In Calgary. And who had Calgary in this one? That would be Devilish Demon. So there you go, Daryl. Sean Monahan rookie fabrics. And French, Ronnie Francis. We got Niemi. We got Datsuk. Rookie fabrics, Grigorenko for the Sabres. Buffalo. Is El Cid 22. And look at that. Looking nice and thick in this one. We got a neck card in this one. We got a neck card. Alright, from the back, Nash. On the front we have Vanek, and it is a net cord for the Chicago Blackhawks. Andrew Shaw. This is numbered 21 of 25. Stanley Cup Final Materials. Andrew Shaw, Stanley Cup Finals. Wow. There you go, Taz. These are kind of cool. They got acetate on either side of it, actually. So it's the thick card in the middle and acetate on either side. Can't really see that, but I can see it. Very nice Taz. Congratulations. Yeah, so we got another primer better in this thing. So pretty good box actually. Ranford base, Ovechkin base, Skinner base, Bossy, Hartnell, Malkin, draft day marks for the Rangers. And the Rangers are DJ Osmani. Draft day marks of Dylan McElrath, number 3 of 35. There you go, McElrath for the Rangers. Congratulations, Aaron. Those are cool. I know they're they're not manufactured. Sorry, they are manufactured, but they're still cool. All right, Ultimate. 665. 665. No. All right, let's see what this stuff is going to do for us today. Nice. Nice card on the back, I like. On the front, we have Micro Barrel for the Yotes out of $4.99. Phoenix is Devilish Demon. Ultimate Rookies for the Tampa Bay Lightning in the Real Kennedy. That is Mark Barbario. Mark Barbario out of $4.99. Leafs are Jimmy, yep. We got a spacer. Ultimate Signatures for the Edmonton Oilers. Jordan Eberle, hard signed. Here you go, Jack. Not numbered. And for the Toronto Maple Leafs and Jimmy, first time in one of my breaks, rookie luck. We got a Morgan Rielly Ultimate Rookies double jersey. There you go. And that one is not numbered. Alright, so that concludes the break, a triple stack of Upper Deck products, Ultimate SP Game Used and Artifacts. I thank you all for your support of 643boxbreaks.com. And yeah, thank you very much. And remember, even if you got shot in the break, you still get your Blitz bucks. Have any questions about that, let me know. But take care. Thanks a lot. Bye.